Your Holiness, how is it possible to achieve inner peace and happiness when one suffers great pain due to personal loss, illness, addiction, depression, anxieties, or death among loved ones?
Again, as I mentioned earlier, you see, look from wider perspective. One unfortunate things happen, but at the same time, there are some good things still there. So you lost your loved one. Very sad. But then think, what use too much sad? Instead of sad, you should fulfill the wish of your, because of the loved one. For example, my own tutor, I usually consider very solid rock I can lean there. When he passed away, I really felt now that lost. But then I think now too much sort of sad or prayer will not bring him. Now I must sort of develop willpower to carry his, to fulfill his wish. That brings sort of that my very beloved, my teacher, that brings instead of sadness, but it brings more inner strength and determination. So you should do that way. Then that, although is one side of your mind sad, but one side of your mind bring more sort of willpower, more determination to fulfill, you see, that person. Logically, if that person who passed away, some way to know you, in spite of that sort of sad event, you still remain, how should I say, the happy person or some kind of useful person, then the late your friend feel very happy. If you too much sad and completely demoralized, too much worry or crying, I think the late person feel very sad. So think of these lines. I do that.